It all really started at my division here at Linköping University, the division of Statistics and Machine Learning, where I at the time when we started thinking about this workshop was the only female PhD student among maybe 10 PhD students. And this really brought our attention to the need of trying to foster a more inclusive community or more diverse community. We're really happy that so many people showed interest in the workshop, and I think that this really shows a need for these types of events. And I think this was also evident today at the workshop, where I felt like people felt that the environment was inclusive enough to raise questions that they wanted to discuss and also engage everyone. We hope that this workshop has provided a place where people within machine learning, and especially underrepresented groups within the field, can meet and discuss challenges and also opportunities within the field. And hopefully we have also inspired someone maybe to pursue a PhD in machine learning. We would really love to see this workshop continue, maybe become a yearly event, but of course we cannot say anything about it right now, but maybe keep your eyes out.